Hi, my name is Steve Leyland. I am with the Voluntary Purchasing Group, also known as VPG. And there are 3 products that we'd like to review over today. First would be our succulent mix. Second would be our new fast-acting lime with AST. And third would be our organic weed and lawn grass killer. Succulents have made a big presence in all lawn and garden centers in recent years. The unique color variations and the many assortment types of succulents that are available have attracted a wide audience. Being a low-maintenance plant certainly amplifies their appeal. As a rule, succulents prefer well-draining soil that holds a little moisture and nutrients with a mid-range pH. The Fertilome succulent soil accomplishes all these goals. The Canadian sphagnum peat moss and the Eco Peat will support the plant physically in its hot yet allow the water to drain. Eco Peat is a natural fiber from the peat bogs which provides excellent aeration and appropriate moisture holding properties. The addition of horticultural perlite aids in the aeration process and helps dry out the peat. Both the calcitic and dolomitic limestone keep the pH in an ideal spot for their plant to take in the necessary nutrients. Looking for a Roundup alternative? The Natural Guard brand by Fertilome offers a non-glyphosate product that is fast-acting, non-selective weed, grass, algae, and moss killer. This product kills down to the root on all young, actively growing weeds that are less than 5 inches high. Our fast-acting lime, again, contains AST, which stands for Advanced Soil Technology. This product will help raise the pH within a relatively short period of time. Your typical dolomitic lime takes 4 to 6 months for the pH to be increased. This will do it in a matter of weeks. What's unique about the VPG is the fact that our products are only found in an independent garden center or hardware store. So you'll never see us in a box store. Again, we'd like for you to, if you have an interest in our products, research online at fertilome.com.